Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, I am Priti and welcome to my channel Krazzy for DIY. So today we are going to make a greeting card cum album which will have few other mini elements in it. This is also called double tri-shutter album card. So let's get started. So first we need to prepare the base of the card. We have already learned to make the basic tri-shutter card, and to watch its video click on the card above. This is the advanced version of the same. The measurements of the base is shown in the slide coming by. So we have taken a paper in the dimension 40 by 15 centimeters and made all the vertical lines as shown in the slide. Now we need to make two horizontal lines as shown in the slide. Now we need to slip these two lines with a paper cutter like this. Now we have to outwardly fold these lines with the outward bracket like this. And fold inwards the lines with the inward brackets. Now fold it like so. And like this. And it's done. We need two of this base for our card. So I have made two of these. Now we need to paste the ends of both the base together. So I flip one card like so and paste these two together. And here our double tri-shutter base is ready. Now we need to decorate our card and add mini elements to it. So first we'll decorate the middle portion. I've taken a designer paper in the dimension 16 cm by 7.5 cm. And we need to fold the paper at 1 cm mark like this. And paste the upper flap here. Now I'll be attaching a waterfall card which I made earlier. To know how to make this card, click on the card above. So we have pasted this card in this place. We can put pictures here. Now with the multiple kinds of designer papers, we need to decorate our card. Cover all the black area with colorful papers. And this is how it looks after we have pasted all the colorful sheets. Now we need to design these two areas with some mini elements. So for this area, I have taken a strip of paper and two paper cutouts in dimension 6 cm by 8 cm where we can paste pictures or write codes. This is how we attach it to the card. Leave some space in between to insert the photo cards. This is it. Now for the other side, I have taken a paper in dimension 30 cm by 8 cm, divide it in 6 parts of 5 cm each and make alternate folds like so. And paste it here. So we take a string, tie our card, and paste the whole thing here like this. It's ready. We can paste pictures within. And our album cum card is ready. We can tie the whole thing up with ribbons. And that's it. Our tri-shutter album card is ready. You can use pictures to decorate your card, and this is how it will look. Do give this a try. It's very easy and very beautiful idea. Also, post your feedbacks in the comments down below.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.